Hello everyone, I am presenting video related to the concrete technology.
My name is Shital Staram Karambade from RIT College. I am presenting information about light emitting cement.
It is a green construction material designed to illuminate highways, roads and bicycle lanes without using electricity. It absorbs solar energy at a day and radiates light at a night. This innovative cement was developed by Dr. Jose Carlos Rubio from the Michoacan University of St. Nicolas, Hidalgo in Mexico. Principle of light emitting cement. Cement is an opaque material that does not allow light to pass through its interior. When the water is added to cement, crystal flakes are formed as a result of hydration reaction, and that block the absorption of solar energy. The researchers focus on the modified the microstructure of the cement to eliminate crystal flakes and make it completely gel to absorb solar energy. Gel absorbs solar energy and release it in the form of light. In the day, the light emitting cement structure acts as a storage device. During this time, the whole mass is soaked in the sunlight and electrons within the mass are in the excited state. During the night, the electrons return to its original state, due to which light is emitted. The cement can provide light continuously for the 12 hours without using the electricity. Composition of light emitting cement. Light emitting cement is made out of sand, silica, alkali and water. To give it light emitting property, the material go through the polycondensation process performed at a room temperature. The chemical reaction between this raw material produce a strong mixture that look like a gel. Intensity of the light adjusts during the preparation process. During the manufacturing, scientists add some additives to alter optical properties of material to the phosphorescent material. Application of light emitting cement. It is used in the footpath, interior rooms, bathrooms and where the unavailability of the electricity. In these images, light emitting cement is used. Here first image is the use light emitting cement internal view of the room. This is the bridge and this is the bicycle lane constructed using the light emitting cement in the Netherlands. Some advantages and disadvantages of light emitting cement. The manufacturing process of light emitting cement is eco-friendly. The residue left after the production is only the steam, and the lifespan of the light emitting cement is 100 years. This is used as a source of light and reduce the consumption of electricity. This is used in the building construction as well as for the decoration purpose. Some disadvantages of light emitting cement. This cement is a high cost compared to the conventional cement. Not have the same application as ordinary cement. Some skilled labors are required, limited in color, and it is still does not shine long. So we conclude that this innovative cement used as material for a night lighting. It reduces the consumption of electricity. It used in the building construction as well as for the decoration. The material is currently manufactured in the green and blue color. Dr. Avalos is working on the cement that can glow white, red and a purple color. These are some references used for collecting this information. Thank you for watching this video.